Today we're going to make this easy handprint witchcraft. It's great for Halloween.
For today's craft, you're going to need some scissors, a pencil, a black marker crayon or pencil crayon, some glue, and some paper. Here I am using green for my background for the face of my witch. I've got a little bit of orange for the hair, black for the hat, white for the eyes, and a little bit of yellow for some decoration. So grab your supplies and let's get started. The first thing I'm doing is using green. So this is going to be the face of my witch. If you choose another color, that is okay. Grab whatever color you are choosing. I'm putting it long side left to right, short side top to bottom, and I'm going to fold it over left to right. Once I have that folded, what I'm going to do is turn it so that I have the fold line. So this is the fold line. This is where it opens, but I want the fold line. The fold line's where I'm going to put my hand. Now your hand will probably fit a little bit easier than mine because mine is a little bit bigger. That's okay, we'll make it work. So I want my wrist to be right here at the end. So your wrist should be about right here. I just got to bring mine down a little bit. I'm going to take my pencil and I am going to trace around my fingers. You might need someone to help you with this. And when you're tracing, just gently trace around, just making the shape of a long, thin, narrow oval. You don't have to go into every nook and cranny of your finger, so you're just kind of going up and around, using it as a general guide. And then when that's done, you are going to cut that out. Now, where the fold line is, make sure you don't cut there. That stays as it is, so you cut everything else, don't cut the fold line. The next thing I am going to do is I'm going to take my black and draw a hat. So I want my hat to fit over top. So I want it to be wide enough that it fits right over top here. So I'm just going to use this to guide me. And then you can be creative. You can make a straight tip hat that goes up like a little triangle. You can make it squiggly. It's completely up to you. You can have one that curves around. I'll just show you an option here. So as you can see, I have a little bit on this side and a little bit on that side because I want my hat to fall over on each side, and that's great. I'm going to go to one corner and I'm just going to curve up a little bit. So I have a little curve. Then I'm going to draw a diagonal line, like a nice tall hat. I'm going to come back down with my diagonal line and I'm going to curve back. Now, if you're afraid that it's not going to be symmetrical, that means the same on one side as it is on the other, what you could do is take this piece of paper and fold it in half and just cut on one of the lines you drew. So you can see I have my lines here and I'm just going to cut right on there. So if you like the shape of your hat, you are ready now for the next part, and that's just to decorate the hat. I have some yellow here and I'm just going to put a nice little band right across. So I'm just going to line it up with my pencil. Draw right where I want it to end. I want it to end here, and I want it to go across, and I'm happy with that, so I'm going to cut that out, but you can decorate yours any way you would like. There we go. I'm going to glue that on. Now that my hat is done, I am going to glue on some hair. To do that, I'm going to take my orange piece of paper and I'm just going to cut some thin strips. So you can cut as many as you want. I'm going to put maybe 4 on one side and 4 on the other, and I'm just going to glue those down. You could make them all the same size. You can make one shorter than the other. Go ahead and you're going to make your strips, and we're going to glue them down in whatever design of hair you would like coming out the side. To do that, all I do is take the strips and I just put some glue down, and I'm going to glue them right here. And I think I'll do a little trimming that you can decide how you want your hair to be. Next thing I'm going to do is take my white piece of paper. So my little white piece of paper, I'm going to fold it in half. I'm going to draw a circle on there, and this is going to be for my eye. So I'm going to draw a circle. I'm going to cut that out, and then I'm going to color using my black marker pencil crayon some pupils on the inside of each one. And then prior to gluing the eyes on, I do like to put the hat on just to make sure the eyes go in the right spot. find it's easier that way. So I'll just put a little bit of glue down. And when you glue the hat on, you can see it now. It looks like the hair is coming right out underneath the hat. Perfect. Then I put my eyes down. Then we're going to draw a face. So you can draw your face in any way you want. I think I'm going to give my witch a little pointed nose, like a little triangle sideways here, and a little half smile. We have a wonderful looking witch who can say Happy Halloween. So you just open that up and you can write your own little message inside. I'm going to write Happy Halloween today.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like this craft, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for joining me on Craft Club for Kids. Remember, be creative and have fun.